Hi, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at Google Maps. In order to get to Google Maps, we're going to start on our Google homepage. We're going to come over here to our Apps button, click on Apps, click on Maps, and that takes us right into Google Maps. We're going to start off today with just a simple driving direction search. So let's say today we're going to go to Springfield, Illinois, and we're going to get directions from, let's leave from the school here, or from Byron. And we put in our beginning and our ending destination, and we'll see that it gave us a route here in blue to get there. Over here it's showing us that this is going to take a little over 3 hours, 3 hours 1 minute. It's going to give us two other options to drive there. If we look in the route options, we have things to avoid. If we want our distance in kilometers instead of miles, it'll show us that. Let's stick with miles, or in our case we can set to automatic and it gives us the miles. If I wanted to avoid tolls, we can click on that and see nothing changed because we currently didn't have any tolls in there. So let's see if we want to take the scenic route and get off the highways. We click on the highways and you'll see that our route changed here. There's our old route, there's our new route. So let's take a look at just our first one that came up. That was our quickest route. And we look along our route and it's giving us different information. If we came this way, it would add a little bit of time. These little icons here are showing us that there are construction zones. So one of the neat features of Google Maps is that I can just drag our route. So say I want to avoid this construction, I just click on our route, I'm going to drag it over here, and now I can avoid that construction. It did add a little bit of time driving, but with construction we're probably going to come off ahead in the end with that. Now if we look back up here at the top, we are set for driving in a car. Just out of curiosity, if we wanted to walk it, we can click on our walking and it calculates our route and tells us that it would take us 59 hours to walk from Byron to Springfield, Illinois. Let's go back to our car. So you can see there's a lot of different options that we want or can use here. If I need to add a stop, maybe I want to go to Champaign, Illinois on my way, I just come up here next to the plus, I'm going to add in Champaign. However, our route now is taking us to Springfield and then Champaign, so I just simply back up here, I click and I'm going to drag and reorder, and we'll see that our route automatically changed. And here too, we do have some construction here, so maybe I want to change our route. We'll pull over here and let's try this route here, which avoids the construction. So now I have a route from Byron to Champaign to Springfield. At this point we have our route options. If I want to see those step-by-step lists, I can click over here and it gives me those directions. If I want to go back to my map view, I click over here in full map view and it takes us back to the route that we had before. Up here I have a share option. If I want to share these with whoever I'm traveling with, I can come in here and I can click in the email and have it shared with that person. If I just want this open to the public, I can make it visible to anyone that's added in on my circle. And we're going to cancel that. Okay, now when I'm ready to print, one of the ways that I can do that is to go take a look at the step-by-step. And up here I have my option for printing, and I'm going to print including the map or just the text. So if we click on including the map, we should get a preview of what our printed out pages will look like. And right now for our trip we're looking at a total here of 3 sheets of paper. That's front and back, so 5 pages actually, but we have our overall map, we have our breakdown of our steps with maps, and if we were to look at the other pages we can see that the maps continue on with those steps all the way through. So there's a quick overview of Google Maps. We're going to cancel our print. Let's go back to our full page view Okay, and again, it's pretty easy to use. If you don't like the route that's there, if you want to go see a few other things, remember you just click and drag, and it'll give you options all along the way. So have some fun exploring next time you're going on a trip, and don't forget to check out Google Maps.